today we're a little kids movement, and it's going to be basketball. Can't wait. So you can use a basketball, you can use a ball that bounces, a playground ball, whichever you choose. You know how we start class as always. We have to make sure we warm up our body, warm up our heart, so it's prepared for the basketball activities. We're going to start first by turning on our ears, of course. Whoop. Eyes are open so you can see the screen and seeing what I'm doing. And make sure our mouth is so you can hear what I'm saying. All right, so let's get started. A little bit of warm up. Whatever I do, you do. Joining me in that fabulous warm-up. We are ready to go. We're going to play a quick game of this. Red light, green light. Just so I know that you're listening, you're ready to go, and you're well prepared. So when I say green light, we're going to run. When I say red light, we freeze. As simple as that. Ready? Green light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Green light. Red light. Green light, red light, red light, red light, green light, green light, red light, green light, red light. Good job, we did it. High five. All right, so here we go. We're going to grab our ball, okay? Again, it could be a basketball, it could be a playground ball, it could be a ball that bounces. Okay, so here we go. Let's get introduced to the ball. Is it smooth or is it bumpy? Aha, it's a little smooth. It's a little bumpy. So you can have like Spider-Man grip fingertips. You can feel it. A little bumpy. You can see the little bumps in the ball. Okay, you can see those. Is it hard or soft? Maybe depending what kind of ball you have. Mine's a little hard because it's a basketball. You might have a playground ball. It might be a little softer. And that's okay. Let's take our pointer finger. And if you have a basketball, let's trace the lines on the basketball using our finger. You can kind of feel with that fingertip. The lines are smooth. Really smooth. This is pretty cool. So use your fingertip. Feel the ball at your fingertips. And now come back to where it's bubbly. Oh, it kind of tickles now, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. What does the ball smell like? Does it smell like anything? Could smell rubber. All the kind of depending. Could smell like leather if you have a leather ball. Hopefully you're using that inside. And what shape is it? Aha. It's definitely round. Let's find out if it bounces. Yep. It bounces. Now in basketball, when I say dribble the basketball, what do we dribble with? Our forehead? Nope. Do we dribble with our nose? No way. That'd be silly. When I say dribble the basketball, do we dribble with our feet? No way. That's soccer. When I say dribble the basketball, we use these magical things. And these magical things are called fingertips, okay? They're made to push the ball down and back up, giving you control. Like Spider-Man, or Spider-Man fingers, okay? Let's start practicing. I'm going to start practicing dribbling with my pushing the ball down on the ground just like this. also call that out of control. I don't want to dribble at my face or even hit my face. That'd be silly. When I'm dribbling the basketball, I just want it to come up to my hip. So I have control. So when I'm dribbling, now we know I'm just dribbling to my hip and my knees are bent in an athletic position. Let's try it. Ready? Knees are bent. I'm pushing the basketball down into the ground, giving it control, just like this. Cool. And time. Now if I'm dribbling with this hand, which this hand was my right hand, it's very important that I have the same skills, or close to the same skills with my other hand, and for my other hand, it was my left hand. Okay? So, let's start practicing dribbling with your other hand. Knees bent, pushing it down onto the ground, using your spidey-like fingertips, pushing it down on the ground. Push, push, push. Good job. And time. Now, if I can dribble with this hand, and I can dribble with, now I want to see if I can dribble one hand to the other hand. We call that alternating dribbles. Okay? So, let's practice. Knees are bent. Push it side to side. Knees are bent. Alternating dribbles. Back and forth. You can even see my body's moving where the ball is going. Back and forth. And time. Now when I dribble the basketball, am I going to dribble with two hands at the same time? No. That'd be called a double dribble. Okay? We need to make sure when we play basketball we follow the rules. And one of the rules is dribble with one hand, and you can dribble with the other hand, one at a time. Let's practice that alternating dribble again. Ready? Knees are bent. The ball's just going up to my hips. I'm switching back and forth from side to side. Okay? That's great. Now hopefully when you start practicing, you get better and better because you are practicing your skills. And you can only get better at things if you practice. I want to know if you're looking up or you're looking at the ball. And time. Were you looking at me or were you looking at the ball? Okay, so when you're in a basketball game and I'm going like this, will I be able to see you? No. That's why it's very important you can see me. Okay, so we're going to play and the game goes as you're dribbling. I'm going to put my hand up and you're going to shout out how many fingers or thumb I have. So this would count as 5. This would count as 4. This is 2. This is 1. Okay? Just for fun, I'm going to play a little background music. And when the music stops, the game is over. Okay? Let's get ready. Knees bent, dribbling with your spidey-like fingers, pushing the ball back down, giving you control. Let's do it. How many fingers? Keep looking. How many fingers? Over. Good job practicing that skill. And now we're going to practice some other ball handling skills. Just a few today. Okay, so join me. And all we're going to do is we're going to go hit the ball side to side with our hands like this. Side to side. Just like this. There you go. Well done. Well done. We're going to take the ball and go above our head. Just go side to side. Good job. And now we're going to put the ball in front of us. Alongside of us. See if you can go behind you. That's very tricky. Let's see if we can put it on our shoulder. Can we put it on our tummy? Can we put it on our head? Can we put it on our knee? Can we put it back on our tummy? Can we put it on our leg? What about our toes? What about our knee? What about our shoulder? What about our elbow? Good job. We're going to tickle the ball. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Again, using those spidey-like fingers. tickling the basketball. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Good job. Well done. And if you're outside or if you are in a room that will allow you to toss it up, again, remember our toss-ups were to eye level and catching it. That's it. Toss it up and catch it. Eye level. Eye level. Good. And if you feel like, I need a little bit of a challenge, you can clap. And then you can catch. Again, just to eye level. Just to eye level. And then if you're feeling, I need a little bit more challenge, can you do the same skill with your eyes closed? Let's try that. Ooh, that is tricky. Let's open up your eyes and let's see if we can do the same thing with balancing on one foot. Wow, you're doing it. And now, what about that other foot? Let's see if we can do it that way too. Wow. Good job. That was awesome. Now let's see if we can drop the ball, clap 2 times, and catch it. Ready? Watch me. Drop, catch, drop, catch, drop, catch. Wow, you're doing it. This is it. We drop it, we catch it 2 times. We drop it, we clap 2 times. We drop it, we clap 2 times. Unbelievable. That was great that you practiced your skills. We know when we dribble the basketball, when I say dribble, we dribble with our fingertips. When we are dribbling the basketball, do we go above our head? Nope, that would be so silly. And when we're dribbling the basketball, are our knees bent or straight? They're bent, giving you a nice athletic position. Thank you for joining me today and participating and practicing your ball handling skills, your dribbling skills. You can use a playground ball or a basketball, whichever you choose, and you can continue to practice those skills. And we always know we want to challenge ourselves because we want to look up and see what's going on. That'd be very important. All right. Thank you for joining me.